Everybody, so in this video these are some HR tags which don't have any closing tag. For example, it is like simple HR and then with the angular brackets, and we guys can check that it is reflecting some changes here. So for example, if after heading one and before heading one I want some horizontal rules, so I would just enter the HR with the closing and opening tag, and I would see these uh, some horizontal rulers actually, or we can say some horizontal lines. For after I wrote this, and you guys can make this anywhere you want. For example, I want here some more, so that I would press HR, 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 HR. So like multiple lines would be generated. So that's how the horizontal rules work without any closing tags.